Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix Anno 1800 crashing on the startup. So it is pretty simple and easy to do, so let's get started. So the first step is go to the library and you will see your installed games. And here's my Anno game. Just click on the three dots, click on manage, and click on verify files. And that should fix your problem. If doesn't that work, what you can do is again click this one, click manage, click on properties, and here you can enter launch arguments. So try writing -dx11, and after that click save and try launch your game. If that doesn't work, try -dx12, and again click save and try launching it. If that doesn't work too, I have another option. If you go right here and type Anno, you can open file location. As you can see, open again the file location. So basically you will need to find your installed game. In the files, go to the Anno 1800 bin 64, and here you'll see your game. So double click it with the right click. You will need to open properties, as you can see, like this. And if you go to the launching and compatibility options, you can run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Make sure you select this one and select run this program as administrator. Click apply and click OK. And that should fix your launching problem. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys, and see you in the next one.